Picture this: you're in the middle of a fight and the tension is peaking. You're strafing, dodging, hammering shift to sprint and outplay your opponent. Every millisecond counts, and then this happens. A gray box dead center on your screen. Do you want to turn on sticky keys? Your game freezes. Your character is a sitting duck. The rhythm is gone. Your focus is shadowed, and by the time you click no, you're already dead. Your momentum completely destroyed. Not by a challenge, but by a so-called feature you never asked for. Well, that ends today. We are going to hunt this setting down and destroy it for good. I'm going to show you the permanent fix so you can finally take back your game. So the natural reaction is to rage click no, or maybe you even follow the link to settings and flip the main toggle switch to off. For a second, you feel this wave of relief. You think it's fixed. Wrong. That's just false hope. Clicking no is nothing more than a temporary snooze button, and even turning off the main toggle in the settings doesn't kill the real enemy. The system is designed to let you turn on sticky keys just by hitting the shift key 5 times. So the next time you're in a fight, mashing that key, the pop-up will return to haunt you, like a ghost in the machine that was specifically designed to make you lose. If you've ever felt like the setting just reactivates itself after a reboot, you're not going crazy. That's because the shortcut lives on, completely separate from that main on and off toggle switch. What you did was apply a flimsy band-aid. What we need to do is get to the root of the problem and finish it for good. Alright, let's get this done. This works for both Windows 11 and Windows 10. By the way, first let's do stage 1. The quickest way into the right menu is to press the Windows key and the U key together. This jumps you straight to the accessibility setting, and if you prefer, you can also go through the start menu, click settings, and find accessibility on Windows 11 or ease of access on Windows 10. Once you're there, scroll down and click on the keyboard. Inside the keyboard menu, you'll see the options for sticky keys with a toggle right next to it. Go ahead and switch that to off. This disables the main function, but don't stop here. This isn't enough. Now for stage 2, the kill shot. This is the critical step that almost everyone misses. Don't just flip the toggle and leave. You have to actually click on the sticky keys, not just the switch. That'll open up a hidden submenu with more options. Inside this menu, you'll find a setting called Keyboard Shortcut for Sticky Keys. This is the enemy. Flip this toggle to off. This is the move that severs the connection to the 5-press shift key shortcut. And while we're here, let's make sure there are no survivals. You should also see options for show the sticky keys icon on the taskbar and lock shortcut keys when pressed twice. Turn both of these off too. Leave no trace. The best part is these changes apply instantly, so you don't even need a save button. For Windows 10 users, the path is nearly identical, but the key option is a checklist labeled allow the shortcut key to start sticky keys. Just unclick that box and you're golden. Now for the proof, go on, head back to your desktop. I want you to mash that left shift key like you're trying to escape a firefight or something. Hit it 5 times, 10 times, 20 times. What do you feel? Sweet, beautiful silence. What do you see? Absolutely nothing. No pop-ups, no interruptions, just the pure, unfiltered control you're supposed to have. The ghost is gone. And here's a pro tip for total domination. While you're in that same keyboard setting menu, you'll see entries for toggle keys and filtered keys. Do the same thing you just did for sticky keys. Click into their submenus and turn off their shortcuts as well. Toggle keys make a beeping noise when you press caps lock, and filter keys can ignore quickly or repeat keystrokes, which can also mess you up in intense gaming moments. Disable their shortcuts so that absolutely nothing can get in your way. Your PC should be a victory machine, not a minefield of helpful traps. For anyone who wants to be absolutely certain this feature is buried 6 feet under, there's one more option, Advanced Power Move. I call this the nuclear option. Press the Windows key and R to open the one box and type in Wedge Edit. This will open the register editor. Now be careful in here and follow this path exactly. H key, current, user, control panel, accessibility, sticky keys. I'll have the command in the description. On the right hand side, find a entry named flags. Double click it, change the value to 506 and click OK. After you do this, restart your computer. This change is basically ironclad and can even survive system updates that might try to sneak the settings back on. Just know this setting is per user, so if you have multiple accounts on your PC, you'll need to do it for each one. And there you have it. StickyKeys is permanently destroyed. You can now sprint, dodge, and slide cancel to your heart's content with zero fear of betrayal from your own PC. From now on, your games will be decided by skill and skill alone. And as always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and many blessings. Bye.